Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your blocked list on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Go to the settings section by tapping on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the privacy option. Here, you can find the blocked option. Tap on it. You can now see all the contacts you have blocked on WhatsApp. And this is how you can see your block list on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.